everybody? Welcome to today's video. And today is a very sad day. Today we are tearing apart the XB. So, can you tell me about the XB? What's the XB?
Where the fuck is he at?
I don't know. Can you tell me about it?
This is a 2009 Scion XB RS 6.0. There's only 2,500 of them in the world. This has a Descendant World Racing turbo kit on it. It's an automatic with select shift. Makes 300 wheel horse and 270 wheel torque. I've had it since 2011. It's been my pride and joy, but I've come to an impasse in my life and it's ready to move on. So getting it back to stock for the fiance and getting ready to buy a house and all the adult stuff.
Alrighty, so we're gonna start tearing this thing down, and you guys are gonna watch us do it. Purging the air tank.
Yo guys, I got myself an Airlift V2 digital system on here. Airlift is the way to go. 20%. When things don't go right, you improvise.
What kind of wheels are these?
These are M Technica turbos. They are 18 by 9.5 with a plus 36. And they're for sale. And they are for sale. 1800 comes with tires. Tires are like 7/32.
What tires are these?
These are 225 40/18 Goodyear Eagle asymmetric F1s. All tires are even. Ride like they're nice and quiet. Very grippy in the rain. Escadet. Look at that meat! Look at that meat! This is the only kind of meat you see on the internet. Alright guys, we're back in BDG, getting ready to pull this bumper off. Balls Deep Garage.
Oh!
So then just get it by the inside over there and give it a tugger. There you go. I know it's frightening. Oh wait, hold on, I got it. Here, let's put it back up.
Alright, take two. We forgot to take the bottom bolts off. So
now we're just really different songs for you.
Oh, there we go. Fog lights?
There's one more. There's one. Can you hand me that impact? One more screw. Hold that side one.
I got it.
So strong. One. Found it. That's now two videos where I want to say found it. Okay. We just turned the light bulbs out. And then we tucked it up and out of the way. Let's see if we can get the ratchet off. One off T6061 aluminum exhaust and charge piping made by Palm Fab out of Medina, Ohio. Of course, it told me it would not be possible to make this because it would melt. Did I prove them wrong? I think so. Careful. Got it. Oh, yeah.
Memory card.
Yeah. No, this isn't even a memory card. This is pre-memory card. It's like a little stock, and that's it.
Okay, so we got the battery out, got the bumper off, we got to get the intercooler off, we got the top charge pipe off. Now we're gonna take the lip kit off.
Sir.
So what? This just it's just
3M adhesive down there. I'm trying to get both ends started so that we can get towards the middle. 5X designed lip kit with my one-off color.
Ooh. Exclusive.
Another one.
we go.
Remember how difficult this was to come off like 6 months ago? Remember, kids, stay in school. Don't do drugs. If I can get you to go around the other side and hold it, I'm going to start this corner.
There we go.
Right.
Oh.
I got it from here.
Oh.
Where do you want me to go?
I got the ends started. Oh my god. Oh. That's really on there. Holy crap. That end's really on there. There it is. Got it. Where'd you put the... Oh.
Everything will just kind of get set down and around for now.
Alright, so we got the lip kit. Oh, we gotta get the rear off.
You gotta get the side and the front, or the rear and the front.
Oh. Oh my god.
It's sketchy.
Yeah. It's like pulling a... Oh god. It's like pulling a door panel off. So what is that, the oil?
Oil feed.
Oil feed. Broski.
It's a 4.5. Mother, father.
Oh, we'll get off here. You guys go here.
What do you even have?
That's a custom manifold, right?
No, this is a part of their Descendant World Racing kit.
Yeah.
That was-
okay.
All right, we're about to take the wiper blades off. You got to remember, with most modern vehicles, you got to clock them back to the same spot you took them off, or else they can go haywire once you activate them for the first time. So there should be notes on the windshield where you're supposed to line it up. But we got to get the wipers off to get the cowl off, so we can get the rest of the vacuum block and stuff off.
And this should just pop off, right?
Possibly? I think it just slides right out. You can grab that and do that. And then it should just...
There we
You
go.
gotta kind of fold it up.
That's silly.
The,
Oh, it just slides out.
Yeah, it just slides out.
Okay. There we go. Hold on, watch this plastic piece. I could just...
Yeah, that fully...
Oh, now we can do your booster.
Yeah.
I would hate to have to do a booster on here. I'd be pissed. Alright, so we got the cowl off.
Now we
Got
can
the
get
metal
vacuum
cowl
block
off.
and,
Got the wiper motor out of the way. Almost got this off here. This is just a couple more bolts. There's one here, and then there's under there. And we're going to keep on going.
What size do you think that boost controller fitting is?
6.5 soft.
Oh no. You left the thing on.
Oh yeah, we gotta disconnect the fucking.
Oh.
oil drain.
Mwah.
And the turbo side.
Well, that would just pull
Oh.
up. John, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, we gotta drain the oil and.
Okay.
I put something over that, so well, you don't have to worry
Yeah.
about anything falling in there because there's plugs in it still.
Plug walk. Plug walk.
All right, everybody, that's it. That's it for today's video. This will be part 1. So we got the manifold off, we got the intercooler out, we got the lip kit off, the wheels off, and then what was that controller? The injector controller.
The FIC is out.
FIC controller. So then next time we'll get the turbo off, air ride coming off.
Yeah. Gotta drain the oil out so we can get the oil feed return line out of there, and we can put the stock oil pan back on because it's currently
Ooh.
tapped.
Ooh. Alrighty, so thanks for watching and tune in for the next video.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Johnny O, Chicken Bone 216. Hey, hey.